am Killmonger.
No one's perfect, but no one's worthless. We ain't deserving of everything heaven and earth is, but word is good.
This is my home.
Said no one's perfect, but no one's worthless. We ain't deserving of everything heaven and earth is, but word is good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video. This is the look I chose to do Princess Shuri from Black Panther, Marvel Black Panther. It comes out on Friday the 16th, so make sure that you go and watch it. I am so excited to go watch it. Like, I am so excited. And I do have a shirt on throughout the video. It looks like it's not throughout the video just because it's strapless, but I am covered up. I'm not just out here just looking any type of way. But yes, I decided to do this look. Obviously, I did my own little twist on it. So it's like if Princess Shuri were to just go full out glam, this is her. So I pulled inspiration from some of the movie posters that have came out, and I mean, I am absolutely in love with it. From the eye look, first of all, the eye look by itself is just amazing. Like, it's really amazing. I'm proud of myself. And then obviously I love me a tribal face paint, honey. So I love it. I tried to do what I could do with my hair, kind of like hers. In the movie poster, she has, like, I guess this, I don't know if it's purple hair in her head or it's yarn, but I got me a little purple up there. I got me a little mohawk going on with some Bantu knots. So yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with this Smashbox eyeshadow palette. And I'm first going to get this pink color. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And this is going to kind of be my transition color. And I'm also doing this on concealer that has not been set with any powder. And I'm just blending this out just to make sure it's all diffused out. Now I'm going in with this purple color and just blending that into my eyelid. What am I trying to say? Girl, you see what I'm doing. Now I'm going into this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking this deep plum purple color just to deepen up the look. And then I'm going back into that palette, and I'm going to get this brown color just to put on the outer edge of my lid. Now I'm just cutting my crease. And I'm going to set that concealer with this shade right here, which is from a Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette. It's just a really nice nude peach color just to set that concealer. Now I'm just mimicking everything that I did on my top lid onto my bottom lash line. And after I get through with this, I'm going to go into lining my bottom lash line with a white eyeliner. And then I'm going to tight line my top lash line with a black eyeliner just to deepen up my lash line. So as you can see right here, I've already outlined my concealed part of my lid, and I threw on a little bit of a cat eye. But when I tell y'all, it was the hardest thing for me to outline my cut crease. Like, it took me so long to do it. Right now, I'm just throwing on some lashes that I got from Shop Miss A. And now I'm just highlighting, and then I'm going to go into pre-marking the tribal dots on my face. And this is just going to be an outline for where all of the eyeliner is going to go. And up next is me actually filling in those circles with a white eyeliner, the same white eyeliner that I used on my lid. This also took me a long time because I was so nervous that I was going to mess it up, and I didn't want to mess up this whole look. So I really made sure that I took my time with this, and I just had to be patient and just calm myself down, because when I tell y'all that I was shaking, I mean, I don't know why, I just was. It was ridiculous. Next thing I'm going to do is throw on some lipstick, and this is just like a nice nude color for my lips. And then I'm going to do the lip paint. And after I put this on my lips, that's going to be it for the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and I just am in love with what it looked like. I'll see you guys in the next video.